You're looking at stock number P3469, which is a 2016 Chevrolet Malibu LT, shown in Butte red, black cloth interior. Got a rear spoiler, 5-passenger sedan, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder auto stop engine, 4 doors. We are riding on the 17-inch wheels and tires. Sunroof. This particular Malibu has had the windows tinted. Check out the interior. Driver's seat is power. How about that back seat? Drink holder does move up for the third passenger seating comfort. Pretty deep trunk we got going on back here. There's the battery for the auto stop. Your backup camera is located right down here. As we mentioned, there's the sunroof. Let's take a look at the sunroof from the inside. Front view. Power windows and locks and mirror. Automatic headlights. Let's turn down the country music. Okay, cruise control on the left, audio controls on the right, and it does have Bluetooth. Want to hear this? Check this out. Press the face button once.
Please say a command.
Tune radio 99.3 FM.
Tuning to FM 99.3.
Change the radio without ever touching a button other than the face. Okay, here's your climate controls. Automatic transmission. There's your aux for those who need to plug in their music. Universal home remote. I'll tell you what, this Malibu is still currently under factory warranty, lease return. It's available at Cambe Chevrolet Buick in Knox, Indiana. Give us a call at 574-772-2191. My name is Mike. I'll be happy to show it to you anytime.